All right, guys. Day 5. We're taking the dinghy up. We just took Sailor for a walk, and now we're putting the dinghy up. Yep, boss, it looks good. All right. That looks like it. So a view from the pilot house this morning, guys. We're putting the crane away for the dinghy, and then I'll have to get out here and disconnect the lines once we'll get the engine started. Doesn't look the conditions should be improving as the day goes on. So hopefully by the time we get to the Potomac, the weather will get better for us. Beautiful morning out here, though. All right, we cleared the mooring ball. Day 5 underway. Hopefully this wind isn't gonna be too bad out there. Annapolis is always one of my favorite stops. Always will be. See the mega yachts over here? Captain, look at that coffee. Oh. Yeah, that's what we saw in the C&D. Remember the last night that passed us? Something like that was the guy that. Wow, look at that beautiful morning. Gorgeous out here. Believe it or not, it'll even calm down a little bit more. Like right now, we're going against the current, so the current's going out and the wind's coming this way, so that's creating wave. And then once that current switches and goes the other way, it'll settle down a little bit. No, I would not want to be out here in not even a 40-foot. There's no way. It's a bit snotty out here today. Look who I got with me. Anyway, out here in the Chesapeake, this is when the pilot house is really, really nice. Just windshield wiper going. Winds are supposed to start calming down here probably in the next couple of hours. It should calm down, and then waves will drop down, and also the current will switch, and we'll start going with it, and that should help to knock these waves down a little bit. Not too bad for this 53-foot Carver, but definitely a little bit sporty out here today. Relief at the helm, boss. I got the big boss in the chair. Well, I was referring to the little guy, but mostly just hitting the windshield wiper blade every once in a while so far. But also when you about an hour from now when we got to go over some charting and. There you go. That's the one.
So I keep it on.
Nah, you can.
I don't know if you're on the phone, Paul.
Conditions haven't really changed. It's ain't about the same. Nice to be inside this pilot house right here, I can tell you that. Right now we've gone 41 miles and we got about 38 miles to go to our anchorage. And then I just found out earlier that the bridge is stuck over in Norfolk. So we may be, I don't know what's going to happen with that. We may have to make a decision to go outside or something. I don't know, we'll see. Zucchini is the autopilot name. And you can hear it in the background there. And Zucchini's getting a little bit of a workout today. But it's a head sea. It's not too confused. So we're taking it on the starboard right about there. And I got another little. Baby, what are you doing? Huh? Looks like a narrow passage into here. We're in 6 feet of water. And we're in high tide. This is the low part too. So that's 6 feet under the keel. Does that mean? So I'm guessing it's 5. We're in like 10 feet of water right now.
Current coming out of there.
Back to Reedville. This is not bringing me back good memories, boss. That's that smell. That's a pretty big fleet.
High Point Marina. High Point Marina, sailing vessel, rum rum.
Alright, folks, end of day 5. We made it to Reedville on this 53 Carver. The restaurant's open this time. Last time it was closed. This time it's open, so maybe we'll get something to eat here. Got a big Army Corps of Engineers boat right here. Anybody who watches a lot of the videos, we were just here not too long ago with Snapdragon. So we were gonna anchor, but maybe we'll stay here, rinse the boat off, plug in the power, and head out again tomorrow. There's a bridge closed, so we're not sure exactly what's going on, but we will find out more tomorrow morning, and whether we can keep going or what we're gonna have to do. I may have to get off the boat tomorrow. We'll see.